Today we're in the beautiful town of Bugsera down here in Rwanda, and this is Ramiro. As you can see, we're live and direct in a farm. This the building that you can see here that can be rented for your poultry farming or your livestock farming. This is a structure for rent, and it goes for 400,000 Rwandan francs per month. So we have 4 rooms down here that you can use for your livestock business. Also, I'd like you to know that down here you have a water supply which is 10,000 liters, which you can use for the business. Also, you have solar panels on top of the roofs that supplies energy, electricity energy for the business as well. So I would advise you guys to come down here to Bugsera. If you're interested in renting this property, you can actually reach out to us, and we'll help you out in securing this property for your livestock business. Thank you very much. Please, if you like such videos, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Till next video, stay blessed.